Good morning, Year 1. Today's English lesson is going to be you planning your very own counting story. Now, I'm sure you noticed that One Night in the Zoo was a counting story that featured different animals, and the animals came in numbers that increased as the book went on, and the different animals were doing all sorts of things as the story progressed. So, you are going to be planning your very own version of One Night in the Zoo. However, it's not going to be based in a zoo. It can be based in anywhere else you would like, but just can't be a zoo. Now, I've decided that for my story, and you are very welcome to use this idea, I'm going to do One Night in the Aquarium, because you guys know how much I love the water and sea creatures. So I'm doing One Night in the Aquarium. So my example is One Night in the Aquarium, starting with one dolphin doing flips, going on to two sharks playing tennis with their tails, going on to three clownfish telling jokes. Now remember, the number has to increase as the story goes on, finishing with 10, just like One Night in the Zoo. Now, if you go to your work pack, you'll be able to see I've given you a planning sheet here. So I just want to talk that through for you. So at the top you have your title, One Night at the whatever it is. Then in this column here, it says the number. So write the number in words. So this is where you are going to practice writing 1, 2, 3, but not as numbers. I want them in words. Okay, so this second column here, it says what can you see. So what is it and what is it doing? So for example, in the original story, the first one was one elephant flying. This number 2 was a crocodile and a, oh my goodness, what was it? A kangaroo? A crocodile and a kangaroo on a bicycle, okay? And so on. So then in your final column, I want you to draw a rough picture of what it is you are planning to write about. Now, this says here, this does not need to be perfect because this is just your plan. So a very rough sketch in each box of the things you are writing about. And then tomorrow, this plan is going to help you with writing your final story.